Hi, Alexis Amaro here with the Cisco HTTS video team. Today, I want to show you how to recover web GUI access to an expressway that has an expired server certificate. We'll need the root credentials to verify and delete or rename the server certificate file. This can be done from SSH. To validate the expiration date, navigate to Tandberg Persistent Certs and use OpenSSL X509 and date no out in server.pem. If the certificate is indeed expired, we need to delete it or rename it. In this case, I'm renaming it with the move command. At this point, we need to reboot the server. During the boot process, the expressway will detect that it does not have a server certificate and generate a self-signed temporary one. This will allow you to access the web GUI and proceed with your standard certificate management. You can also use SFTP. We still need to log in with root credentials. Navigate to Tandberg Persistent Certs. You can download the server certificate file to review and delete it or rename it. The reboot will need to be sent from an SSH session or a VMware KVM console. And that's how you recover the GUI access after the certificate expires. Thank you for watching.